Imagine you find a tiny, shiny yellow stone on the ground. It glows in sunlight, but suddenly you wonder, why does this simple rock feel so special? Long before money existed, humans already loved shiny things. Seashells, stones, feathers. But gold was different. It never lost its shine. Your shoes break. Your phone stops working. Your toys crack. But gold does not change. It looks the same even after hundreds of years. Long ago, humans noticed something unusual. Gold never rusted. It never broke. It stayed shiny. It looked like magic trapped inside a stone. Imagine finding something that never gets old. Your toys break. Your shoes tear. But gold stays young forever. That made people think, maybe this is powerful. Slowly, gold became a symbol. If you had gold, you were important. You were safe. You were respected. Gold became a shortcut to power. Kings built palaces with gold. Temples covered their walls with gold. Even graves were filled with gold. Gold was rare. You could not just pick it up. It was hidden deep underground. Finding it was hard. That made it feel even more valuable. Our brains love rare things. When something is hard to get, we want it more. It is like the last chocolate in the box. Everyone suddenly wants it. Gold became a dream, a promise, a safety blanket. People started saving it for bad times, good times, and future generations. Gold teaches love, respect, and tradition. Gifting gold during festivals connects families. It connects generations. Even today, rich people and countries store tons of gold. It becomes the last friend. When money loses trust, gold prices keep changing. They go up. They go down. Even small moves can create panic or excitement. Gold is more than money. Families treasure it. They protect it. They pass it forward. It carries emotions. During celebrations, gold appears everywhere. Gifting it shows love, respect, and tradition. Banks and countries hold gold because it stays valuable. Even when money starts to wobble, gold remains steady. Humans love rare things. Gold feels like a hidden treasure. Even children feel joy when they see something shiny. Empires rose and fell because of gold. People risked their lives to dig it, trade it, and guard it. Its story helped shape entire civilizations. Gold carries feelings. Gifting it shows love. Saving it for family shows care. Humans connect emotions to this metal. From ancient times to today, humans never stopped loving gold. Its shine holds history, emotions, and dreams. Kings loved gold. It showed power and prestige. The more gold you had, the more respected you were. Gold became a way to trade, buy, and sell. Merchants carried it across cities and across continents. Finding gold was dangerous. Miners risked everything to extract it. Their lives depended on skill and luck. Gold is beautiful. Its shine, its color, its rarity, all of it captivates us. Shoes break. Toys crumble. Phones stop working. But gold remains the same. Its permanence fascinates us. Gold amazed early humans. Its shine, its rarity, felt magical. Gold carries meaning, courage, love, success. It is more than metal. It represents ideas and dreams. Gold acts as a safety net. In times of trouble, it is trusted more than paper money. Gold has been valued for thousands of years. Every era, every civilization, every generation treasured it. Even children feel joy when they discover shiny gold. Its appeal is universal. It speaks to everyone. Everything else ages or breaks. Gold remains unchanged. That's why humans treasure it. Miners risk their lives to find gold underground. Each vein discovered was a treasure. Gold represents hope, love, and continuity. Gifting it passes feelings across generations. Gold is stable. In crises, it's the last thing humans trust. Humans love rarity. Gold feels like a hidden treasure, sparking curiosity and excitement. Civilizations rose and fell because of gold. It influenced trade, politics, and history. Gold isn't just wealth. It connects families. It shows love. It keeps memories alive. Gold has value, even when currencies fail. That's why banks and nations store it. Gold's appeal is timeless. Across generations, its shine and value never fade. From ancient times to today, humans love gold. Its shine holds history, emotions, and dreams. While humans love gold, its value has caused disputes, wars, and endless debates. Even today, small fluctuations in gold prices create panic and excitement. Gold mining was dangerous. Lives were at stake. For every nugget found, empires hoarded gold, guarding it for power. and influence. Gold symbolized authority. Kings and leaders displayed it to gain respect. Gold traveled continents. Caravans carried it across deserts and seas. Gold carries feelings. Gifting it shows love and care. Paper money can lose value. Gold remains steady, trusted across time. Gold can spark greed. Many have fought for even a small amount. Gold offers security. It protects wealth better than most assets. Gold shows status. Wearing it signals success and prestige. Gold has been a reliable investment, increasing in value over centuries. Gold is part of tradition. Jewelry connects generations and cultures. Throughout history, gold fueled wars. Armies fought over this precious metal. Gold fascinates. Its shine captures attention at any age. Gold artifacts remind us of history. Each piece tells a story of human civilization. Banks and nations keep gold as reserves to stabilize economies. Gold is not just for wealth. It's used in electronics, dentistry, and industry. Its shine captures attention. Humans are naturally drawn to its glow. Gold fascinates, protects, and connects. Its story continues across history and human life. Now let's explore why gold continues to mesmerize us. No matter the age or culture, gold connects generations, symbolizing love, respect, and tradition. Even when currencies collapse, gold remains a trusted store of value. Gold inspires art, architecture, and spirituality around the globe. Gold drove exploration, innovation, and even the discovery of new lands. Gold shaped trade routes, economies, and global connections. Gold inspires creativity. From art to craftsmanship, enriching culture. Gold symbolizes love, prosperity, and commitment. In ceremonies across cultures, even children are captivated by gold's glow, proving its timeless appeal. Gold acts as a universal currency, connecting economies around the world. Investors see gold as a hedge, protecting wealth during uncertain times. Gold remains treasured across centuries, preserving history and human achievement. Gold isn't just decoration. It's vital in technology, medicine, and industry. Gold captivates the young and old alike. Across cultures and generations, gold inspires hope. Its gleam reminds humans of possibilities and dreams. Gold is often passed down, creating a legacy and connecting generations. From temples to monuments, gold marks cultural significance worldwide. No matter where we live, gold captures attention and admiration everywhere. Gold isn't just metal. It's history, wealth, culture, and fascination all in one. Gold's story is endless. Explore, learn, and maybe even start your own golden adventure. If you enjoyed this golden journey, hit subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment and share with friends.